Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to my home. In today's video, we are continuing on working outside our home and we are going to test out a 24-foot telescoping pressure washer extension wand by Extrafein. If you're interested in seeing what we're doing today, just keep on watching. With this harsh winter we've had, we will be pressure washing the eaves of our home as well as our gazebo with this 24-foot telescoping pressure washer extension wand. This is how it comes shipped in the box. You have the power washer extension wand itself, a solar panel cleaner pole with turbo nozzle. You have a brush head. You also have 7 nozzle tips, 3 adapters, and a harness. The solution that we're using to pressure wash our home is the 30-second mold and mildew stain remover that we purchased from Lowe's. We're giving you a look of our home before, and I don't know if you can tell, but our eaves are dirty. They're really dirty, so we want to get this taken care of. This telescoping pressure washer wand extension is perfect for single level, but it is amazing for a 2-story home. It gives the ultimate reach and flexibility to the highest gutters and toughest spots effortlessly. This extension wand for pressure power washer ensures you tackle any cleaning task with ease and precision. It is crafted from premium aluminum. The pressure washer extension pole combines strength and portability. This power washer extension wand offers unmatched durability, ensuring it withstands rigorous pressure washing extension wand task. The telescoping pressure washer wand comes with a support belt, reducing fatigue during extended use. This feature is especially useful for those long reach gutter cleaning tools, making your pressure washing experience more comfortable and efficient. After finishing up in the front of our home, we wanted to put it to a test even more by pressure washing our gazebo. We had so much dirt and dust as well as pollen from our trees here in the backyard, so we definitely needed to tackle the gazebo. This wand was so powerful to the point we saw all of the grime and gook running off of the post. Now, of course, I had to give it a try. You know I did. And I truly am amazed with this product. It is so versatile and efficient. Designed as a telescoping gutter cleaning tool, this pressure washer extension wand, which is up to 24 feet, is perfect for various applications. From gutter pressure washer attachment to general cleaning, it's the ultimate power washer extension for any job. Information about this 24-foot telescoping pressure washer extension wand by Extrafein will be listed in my description box down below. It can be found on Amazon, and right now they are offering a 10% discount that you can redeem by pushing the redeem button on Amazon right now. A special thanks to Extrafein for the opportunity to share this amazing product with my blessed family. Now, after a long day's work, and we said we were going to enjoy our gazebo. We're going to do a quick setup. This is not going to be the permanent setup. Again, this is a quick setup of our gazebo. We're going to make a few changes on this setup. We are going to get rid of the fireplace that you see. It has rusted out. The winter has taken a toll on it, and it's on its last leg. So we'll be removing this year. My oldest grandson, he's always around to give us a hand. We love it. So he's helping Kiki with pillows, placing pillows on our outdoor furniture. We went through a harsh winter, and I am so looking forward to spring. We lost quite a bit of plants in our yard, so I'm debating whether to replace them or come up with another idea. And of course, I want to redo my gazebo, style it differently. And of course, we have our screened in area, our glassed in area of our backyard. So I'm looking forward to bringing you more outdoor living ideas for 2026. My hubby is going to set up my tabletop fire pit that I found for $13 at the Price Countdown store that we have here in our area. And I was so excited to find this gem because its regular price, $140. It's so versatile that I can place it out here. I can place it on my dining room outdoor set. And I'm so excited about this item. We've worked hard today, and we just want to sit back, enjoy the sunset, and enjoy a refreshing drink of lemonade. We are tackling one space at a time until we get everything checked off our to-do list. I would like to thank each one of you for watching and for stopping by. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click the bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. And I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links will be listed in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I'm truly thankful. I am grateful. and I am blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.